Yeah, I just want to show you guys some of these old homes here. Um, these craftsman homes, man, they're really something. This is over here by, right next, well, a few streets up from Echo Park. And I don't know, I like this neighborhood. You have a mixture of like older homes, and then you have the older homes here that have been totally like, you can tell they've been maintained very well and just timeless. Just awesome looking homes from the past. They don't build them like this anymore, but just kind of, I'm on the one wheel cruising up the street, and I don't know, I just kind of dig this neighborhood. It's kind of hard to believe, we're here in LA and in the cement jungle, but there's really nice places here that they've maintained and just kept it, true to its original design. And the stained glass, it's all, they got new stuff, of course, and then you have the original stuff here that is just timeless. And then you got a home like this over here that's like totally decked out. You can tell whoever owns that home, they've really been taking care of that thing for many years. And then of course you got a lot of cars here, so it's probably not a safe idea to ride on the street here. So I will be getting off the streets, but I just kind of enjoyed riding the one wheel through LA, just to show all the different types of neighborhoods. I don't know if you guys like seeing this stuff. I think it's pretty cool. But riding it from a one wheel perspective, it's just such a different experience, because for one thing, I'm taller because I'm on the one wheel, and another thing is, you can just blow through neighborhoods super quick, and capture all these beautiful places real fast. Of course, you have beautiful vegetation growing. There's homes in there. A lot of awesome, beautiful places here. Look at that one. Really nice. I mean, they look like it would cost you an arm and leg to maintain these homes, but I guess if you got the money, why not? I mean, they're beautiful. Like this home here, look at it. It's super old and run down, but man, if you could fix that one up, it would be a beauty. Look at that with the stained glass over there. That's a beautiful place. Look at that thing. That is nice. Pretty cool, huh? Kind of reminds me of home, like plantation homes back in Haleiwa. They weren't as elaborate, but very similar in design. Like this home here, the Craftsman home, something like this. It's timeless. So anyway, wow, look at this thing. This thing sticks out like a sore thumb. I don't know if this is original or what, but wow. And then you have homes like this one. Look at this thing here. This is a beauty. That probably costs a few $1,000,000 guaranteed, maybe more than a few million. But really beautiful. It's for sale. And then homes here. So it's just a little tour of the area. Kind of just want to show you guys neighborhoods that are intact and being worked on. Great place just to walk. If you just want to walk, then you have the one wheel. You can walk it. I haven't got the one wheel because I could whiz through things real quick. But let's flip this. That's a cool little place. It's like an oasis, Then of course you got the sunsets every day. LA sunsets. So there is greenery in LA, despite its traffic and all of its development. You just gotta get out, you guys. Get out, get on your one wheel and go cruising. So just another quickie. Hope you enjoyed it. Talk to y'all later.